We have 3 injection molding machines here at the Polymer Center, 2 at 55 tons and 1 at 85 tons. We do ASTM standard molding and any prototype molds as long as it fits inside the platens. We do no production runs, so we make sure we do not compete with our customers. And please feel free to reach out with any injection molding or testing needs.